Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to open multiple savings sub accounts in Lendingclub. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time, so let's get straight into it. The first step is to log into your account. You're going to start by signing in to your Lendingclub mobile app, or of course you can use the website. Once you're in with your credentials, navigate to the savings section from the dashboard. Next step is to add a new account. Now look for the option that's labeled Add Account or Create Sub Account. This feature allows you to open additional savings buckets under your main account. Step 3 is to personalize it. You're going to be asked to name the account, so go ahead and choose something meaningful like vacation funds, emergency savings, could be new car, new laptop, whatever it is. Naming it is going to make it easier to track your progress. Next is to set a goal. If available, enter a target amount and timeline. For example, saving $1,000 for a holiday trip by December. This helps Lendingclub to track your progress visually. Next step is to transfer funds. Now add money to your sub accounts from your Lendingclub check-ins or savings accounts. You can do a one-time transfer, or you can set up recurring contributions. Final step is to manage and repeat. You can create multiple sub-accounts to organize your money for different goals. Each sub-account remains FDIC insured as part of your overall deposits. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.